Beneath the surface of the perfect small town, a dark world awaits.
Are you the one that found me here?
You know anything?
Well, one name that keeps coming up is this woman's singer.
I'll bet someone could learn a lot by getting into that woman's apartment.
I don't know if you're a detective or a pervert.
Well, it's for me to know and you to find out.
What are you doing in my apartment?
I close my eyes, then I
Are you a bad boy?
Hey!
Who is this?
The magic night.
Don't be a good neighbor to her.
Softly say,
I'll send you straight to her!
with you.
I love you! Love me!
Dreams I talk to you. In
Come closer.
Ready or not, here I come. Here's to an interesting experience, huh?
I'll drink to that.